Good morning, lovely people. I greet you with love. I wish you a good day. Let's get started. In today's blog, we are talking about the top 5 best small dogs to take with you on an overseas trip. My top 5 small dogs are Pomeranian, Chihuahua, Yorkshire Terrier, Maltese, and Shih Tzu. These are just a few examples of small dog breeds that may be suitable for traveling. Other factors such as the dog's temperament, health, and specific travel requirements should also be considered when choosing a companion for an overseas trip. When traveling with a small dog, it is important to research and book pet-friendly hotels in advance. Many hotels have specific policies and requirements for guests traveling with pets, such as size and breed restrictions, additional fees, and designated pet-friendly rooms. It is important to check with the hotel about their specific policies and to make sure you understand and agree to them before booking. Some additional requirements that may be necessary when traveling with a small dog include providing proof of vaccinations and health certificates, bringing a carrier or crate for the dog to travel in, bring food, water, and any necessary medications or supplements for your dog, cleaning up after the dog and ensuring that it does not cause any damage to the hotel room or property. It is also important to consider the climate and environment of the destination when traveling with a dog. Some places may be too hot or too cold for certain breeds or may have dangerous wildlife or other hazards that could put the dog at risk. It's always good to check with your vet and get recommendations for your dog's needs. It's also important to keep in mind that not all countries have the same regulations on traveling with pets, so it's important to check the requirements and restrictions of the country you will be visiting. Bye, Rohan. Please subscribe, like, and share. We upload content daily. Thanks for your support.